Across Islam, Christianity, and Judaism, one mysterious force connects heaven and earth: angels. These spiritual beings are not just messengers. They are warriors, protectors, and guides who shape the fate of humanity. But what secrets do these celestial beings hold in the sacred texts of the world's three major religions? Join us as we uncover the hidden meanings of angels and their divine role in Christianity, Islam, and Judaism. Are they watching over us right now? In Christianity, angels are spiritual beings created by God to act as messengers and servants, often depicted as protectors of humanity and intermediaries between heaven and earth. Angels appear throughout the Bible, playing critical roles in key events. Notably, Gabriel announced the birth of Jesus to Mary, while Mikail is seen as a warrior archangel leading God's army against evil forces. These beings made to serve God are believed to act without physical bodies, but have the power to interact with the human world, carrying out God's will. Angels in Christianity are symbols of purity, obedience, and holiness. They are often seen as participating in the cosmic struggle between good and evil, most famously in the Book of Revelation, where Mikail and his angels defeat Satan. Christians believe in the presence of guardian angels, tasked with guiding and protecting individuals throughout their lives. This role highlights their importance in spiritual guidance, especially in moments of need. Angels are also seen as comforting presences during prayer and are thought to escort souls to heaven at the time of death, demonstrating their constant connection to God's divine plan. In Judaism, angels, referred to as Malachim, serve as divine messengers who carry out God's commands. The role of angels is significant in Jewish scriptures, appearing in pivotal moments such as when angels visit Abraham to foretell the birth of Isaac, or when Jacob sees angels ascending and descending a ladder in his vision. Jewish angels, including Mikail and Gabriel, are considered protectors and agents of judgment, but they are always subordinate to God's will. Judaism views angels as part of a divine hierarchy, especially within mystical traditions like Kabbalah, where angels are seen as intermediaries between the divine and the material world. Although angels play important roles, mainstream Judaism does not place heavy emphasis on personal interactions with angels, focusing instead on the direct relationship between individuals and God. Angels serve as extensions of God's power and presence, fulfilling specific tasks within the broader framework of divine order, without detracting from God's central role in guiding humanity. In Islam, angels, or malaika, are beings created from light who serve God without question or free will. They are central to Islamic theology, appearing in the Quran and the Hadith, carrying out tasks such as delivering messages, protecting believers, and maintaining the universe. Jibrail, Gabriel, holds a prominent role as the angel of revelation, delivering the Quran to the Prophet Muhammad, while other angels, such as Mikail, and Israfil, play vital roles in sustaining life and signaling the Day of Judgment. Angels in Islam are also assigned the task of recording human actions. Two angels, known as Kiraman Katibin, document every person's good and bad deeds, which will be presented on the Day of Judgment. Angels are deeply integrated into the structure of Islamic faith and practice, seen as God's agents who oversee every aspect of existence, from guiding the faithful to presiding over death and the afterlife. Their presence reminds believers of God's constant surveillance and the spiritual importance of leading a righteous life. In conclusion, the exploration of angels in Christianity, Islam, and Judaism reveals a shared belief in the spiritual realm and the importance of divine guidance. Despite the differences in their roles and interpretations, all three religions emphasize the protective and guiding nature of angels, serving as reminders of God's presence in our lives. This commonality highlights a fundamental truth. At their core, these Abrahamic faiths share similar values and teachings, encouraging hope, compassion, and a connection to the divine. By recognizing these parallels, we can foster greater understanding and respect among different faiths, emphasizing our shared humanity and spiritual aspirations